Here we need to find for 2Vx. We have already solved for 2I2. We'll put 2Vx in this A place and we'll find consider A equals to 2Vx. Apply KVL to mesh 1. What you will get? 2 minus 2 plus minus 2I1 plus minus, that is 5 into I1 minus I2 plus 2Vx equals to 0. Where Vx is equals to what? 5 into I1 minus I2. As the plus minus sign is given this side, you take this related only. Vx is equals to 5 into I1 minus I2. After substituting that, you will get the first equation. After that, you need to apply KVL to mesh 2. By applying KVL to mesh 2, what you will get? Minus 5 into I2 minus I1 minus 3I2. Here it is plus minus. No, so minus 3I2 plus 6 minus 4I2. After getting this, you will get a second. After solving this, you will get a second equation. You will get a second equation. Solving both 1 and 2, you will get I1 equals to 546 milliampere. Using calci you can find, or using Cramer's rule also you can find. You can use whichever is easy for you.